Hey guys, Mike here down at Cultivate in Oklahoma City. Make sure to hit the link and subscribe below and check out the website, cultivatesupply.com. Today we just had a nice little informational video on a piece of our irrigation here, which is Netafim, a great company. This piece here is a Arkal filter or Arkal disc filter. What this is used for is it's a nice little extra piece you put on your main line to it catches algae and other microparticles that could clog up your dripper stakes. One of the best things I like about it is so easy to clean. You just take the top right off there, and you can see in here where it gets its name, the disc filter. You can see it's a bunch of these little discs that catch all of those bad particles that clog up your stakes, and like I said, most importantly, algae as well, which is not good for your dripper lines at all. Super easy to clean. You leave it in some H2O2 solution overnight if you want to clean it even further. Just a quick additive to your Netafim system. Make sure to come on down, and if you have any questions, I would love to show you everything here and how to set it up properly. And also check out the link below for even more informational videos on all of our Netafim things. Thank you for watching, and keep on growing.